The E31 has aged like fine wine. It was born in 1989 and the design lasted for 10 years in production, so although it's technically a 90s car, it screams 80s, and that's only helped make it look so classic compared to the Bangle era that followed soon after. Just look at the size of the grille compared to a modern G80 M3. Not only has it visually aged gracefully, but you can't knock the silky smooth power plants BMW we're acquainted with. Everything has a turbo strap to it nowadays, and soon we'll reminisce about today when hybrid cars become the norm, before electrification takes over completely. I think if you've got the ability to buy an E31 and store it, grab the chance with both hands. I don't think there's a better appreciating classic for even the high band of 35k. You're getting timeless looks and a guaranteed return on your investment, as these will only get rarer. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Take care.